Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the diamond tester that I'm going to unbox. I was just searching on the eBay, and most of them was like $19.99, $17.99, $14.99, $12.99. And somehow this one was like less than $10. So hopefully this is a good tester. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So as you can see, it says made in China. Manufacturer Shenzhen. Let me go ahead and cut this open. So it says Diamond Selector 2, probably the second version. Wow, nice. It comes with the pouch. And here's the instruction booklet. And then I guess this warranty certificate. So here's the diagram. It says number 1 is the probe, 2 is the level tester, 3 is the power switch level meter volume, 4 is the battery lamp, 5 is the ready lamp, 6 is the battery compartment, 7 is the electricity conductive panel, 8 is the alarm speaker, 9 is the testing platform for loose stone. And then you could adjust the level meter and calibration chart, operation, observation, maintenance, specification. So this one's take a 9-volt battery. Let's go ahead and check it out. So here's the volume on or off. So I guess you could adjust high or low and then turn it off. So here's the metal right there for the probe. Could I touch the diamond? Here's a battery door for the 9-volt battery. Here's a speaker right here. anyway, let me go get the diamond and then battery so I could test this out for you guys. Yeah, so I'll be back. Wait, there's something in here. Let's see. What's this? Oh, so this one looks like a diamond holder you could put on here so it doesn't move around. That's cool. In case you have a loose diamond, this is a holder for it. Yeah, so let me grab a 9-volt battery. I'll be back. Alright, I got the rechargeable lithium ion 9-volt battery here. Hopefully I could get this thing open. Oh, so this is on and off button plus volume. So I guess you need to wait until it says lamp on ready. Okay, so that means we could test it now. So this one is the fake diamond Cupid's cornea. So you can see the thing move a little bit, the level of the LED, but it doesn't beep. I got this one right here. Now let me just check it if this is any of the real diamond or not. Don't think so. Let me make sure. This one is the real diamond. Wow, look at that. Let me check on this one real quick. This is a pearl necklace, earring, and then diamond ring. There's some of the diamond on the edge. Let me check if it's real or not. Oh, so it is. Alright, so all this diamond are legit. 4 more right here. Need to test out real quick. Alright, so everything is checked out. So guess those are real diamonds. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. By the way, I purchased with this with my own money, so it is not sponsored. I just want to test this out, make sure I can use it and test out all the diamond that we have. And in the future, if I'm to purchase second market and to test out from other seller to ensure that the diamond is real or not. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.